This is a quick overview of the single auxiliary battery connection kit that we've got in the web shop. Part of this is your battery of choice from Amptron. You can either pick a 100 amp hour battery, 150 amp hour battery, or a 200 amp hour battery. They have all got a 175 amp maximum continuous discharge circuit, and we've made the leads up for you so it's easy for you to connect. It also comes with the fasteners that you need, and it comes with the main fuse holder that you need. The way it's going to go together is that you take your cable from battery positive into the fuse holder. The fuse holder has got a bus bar built in, so you only need to put this cable to one side of the fuse holder and the positive to the other side of the battery. Screw it together and you're ready to add your fuses in here. You've got two big fuse spaces in here for A and L fuses. So you could use one for 150 amp hour fuse for a DC hub and the other one for a big inverter, whichever size you would choose for your inverter. When you are only buying the single battery kit and you don't buy one of our packages, please make sure that you also choose fuses for this fuse holder. They are not part of this kit because they vary for everybody. So make sure you choose your right choice of A and L fuses, and don't forget some spares. This fuse holder has got spots here, so you can have a spare fuse right on the side of the fuse holder, just in case you blow one out in the field somewhere. The other side of the cable is made up to go onto battery negative, and from there you've got a 10 mil lug on there that will go onto a shunt of your choice. The shunt will be part of the kits that you can choose, or you can choose it separately should you only want to buy the battery kit and connect it to your own products. Please make sure you choose a shunt with it then. That is it. That is everything that you get with the kit for the single auxiliary battery kit. Further information is in the description of the product. Thank you for watching.